Hello, everyone. Good morning. Happy Monday. So good to see all the names here. I'm glad you're here. And thank you for being here yesterday. That was great. All right. So today we're going to work with, all week, we're working with this book here, the Craniosacral Qigong, Mantak, Chia, and Joyce, Thom. Okay. And we're going to start with the lung sound, which is metal element. Okay. And the lungs sound transforms sadness into courage. Okay, so we're going to turn some sadness within us, if it's in the lungs, stored or stuck, into courage. We begin by finding our seat. From hips down, creating and establishing a very stable, supportive seat. Whatever you need on this Monday morning, Monday afternoon if you're across the pond. You want to support the natural curves of the spine upright. And check out your head and neck. How you doing Monday morning? How does it feel? Shoulders back and down. The arms are relaxed. Hands are soft. If you need to do any rotation of the wrists, wiggling of the fingers, feel free to do that. As you close your eyes, bring your awareness to your breath, coming in and out through your nose. Traveling the pathway of the breath in and out of the lungs. We want to start by resting our hands right on our lungs. We want to smile. Smile into the lungs. Smile to your lungs. Really make that intimate connection. And then you want to imagine that you're looking into the lobes of your lungs. 3 lobes on the right, 2 lobes on the left, if you still have all your lobes. And you're looking into the lobes of your lungs. And we're going to look left and right 21 times. We look left and right. Left lung, right lung. And we're looking for the sadness. And we're looking for the grief. And you go at your own pace. But after 21 times there, on your next inhalation, you'll open your eyes, raise both hands over your head with the palms up. And you want to look up. And you want to make a sound. On your next inhale, you're going to scoop up white light. And then down to the crown of your head, bring your hands, bring the white light all the way down so slowly, down through the head, down to the throat. And bring that white light right into the lungs. And you hover your hands right in front of your lungs with a smile, envisioning white light filling your lungs. Transforming any sadness or grief into courage. See if you can feel the sound that you made vibrating in the lungs. As you continue to smile, see your lungs glowing with the clear white light. Metal element to the lungs, the color white. And invite the quality of clarity into your mental body. Now we'll do this 2 more times. So place your hands on your lungs. Once again, smile and connect to your lungs. Make that lung connection. And you'll start to look left and right into the lobes of your lungs. And we're looking for grief. We're looking for sadness. Left lung, right lung. Again, take your time. But after 21 left and rights, you'll inhale, take the palms to the sky, arms overhead. When you're ready to exhale, it's looking up. Next inhale, scoop up the white light and slowly bring it down through the crown of your head, all the way down. Hands in front of the lungs. White light filling the lungs. Smile as you can see that and feel that. See and feel the white light transforming your sadness, your grief into courage. Feel the vibration of the S in your lungs. Tune in to clarity in the mental body. Bring your hands to your lungs. Third time, smiling and making that connection. As you look left and right, looking deeply into the lobes of the lungs, looking for the grief, looking for the sadness. Left lung, right lung. And taking your time, but when you're done with the 21 times, you'll inhale, send the palms skyward, look up, and then exhale. Inhaling, scooping up white light, the color of the metal element, and bring it down so slowly. Right into the lungs. Hover your hands in front of your lungs. And as you smile, envision the white light filling your lungs. See it, feel it. Transform any grief, any sadness into courage. Sense the vibration of and we tune into clarity. Mental body with the white light, clarity. Now place your hands on your lungs. Smile and make that connection. We do this one more time, but this time we look left and right into the hemispheres of the brain. So a nice upright spine. 21 times, look into the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere of your brain. And when you're complete with the 21 times looking left and right inside the brain, you'll inhale your arms up, palms away from the top of the head. Looking up, last time. And you scoop up the white light and you slowly bring it down into the crown of the head. Clarity, transforming any thoughts, sadness, grief into courage, into the lungs, any sadness, grief, into courage. And then we can bring our hands right down in front of the belly. Large intestine is paired with the lungs. And you're just going to massage with the white light up the ascending, across the transverse colon, down the descending. So it's up on the right, and then across, and down on the left. Massaging gently your colon, the large intestine, paired with the lung here in the metal element. Any grief or sadness transformed into courage. When you feel complete, we'll just sit and notice how we feel. For our last 5 minutes, feel free to stay seated or feel free to lie down, your choice. I would like to end each one of these 6 sessions with this very simple sentiment. So beautiful. There's great emotional movement happening in the depths of humanity. Notice your own emotions and be compassionate to the emotions others are expressing. This is a time of cleansing and healing. Let it arise. Let it be. Let it arise and let it be. Thank you all for being here. Rest a little bit longer if you so choose. Know that metal element is the skin, right? So as the lungs, as you deep breathe, the lungs, they mist the skin. So feel free to touch, massage, comfort, soothe yourself today. Into the nose, maybe to some delightful scents. That's also the metal element. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Walk forward with all that courage. Namaste.